Hey there, welcome to Tech2. Today I'm gonna talk a little bit about how you can block someone in Bigo Live. So let's say you're doing a live and you want someone blocked, right? So what you need to do is go to their profile. Go to their profile, and on the top right corner of your phone, you'll see the three dots or a pop down menu or something. Three dots. Just tap on it and tap on block. So, and there will be a confirmation. Someone, do you really want to block this guy or girl? Something like that. But if you click it, then that person or that profile cannot contact you, like message you or join your live live room. And that's how you block it. If this content helped you, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.